The Tefal OptiGrill Plus is a state-of-the-art grilling appliance that utilizes smart technology for seamless and delicious cooking. Its standout feature is the automatic sensor cooking technology, which intuitively adjusts the cooking time and temperature in line with the thickness and quantity of items placed on the grill. This technology underpins 6 unique cooking programs designed for burger, poultry, sandwich, sausage, red meat, and fish, alongside a convenient mode for cooking frozen food. One of the key aspects of the OptiGrill Plus is the color-coded indicator light, which offers real-time monitoring of the cooking process. The light transitions from purple during preheating, to blue and then green at the commencement of cooking, yellow when the food is rare, orange for medium, and red for well done. This feature allows users to easily achieve their preferred level of doneness. The OptiGrill Plus is designed to cater to all tastes. You can simply open the lid to remove your food when it's cooked to your liking, allowing the rest to continue cooking. The device also features a manual mode with 4 adjustable temperature levels, offering the flexibility to cook a wide array of foods, including fruits and vegetables, exactly to your preference. With the Tefal OptiGrill Plus, cooking perfection is not just achievable, but effortlessly so.